In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to install Dragon Professional Anywhere using the click once method. This is the simplest method to install Dragon Professional Anywhere. Before the start of your subscription, we will provide you with a confirmation outlining all your subscription details. This includes information about who you are, who your reseller is, and the length of your subscription. Further down the page, you will find a table with all users that have been given access to Dragon Professional Anywhere. Here you have a username and password which are required during the initial login. On the right hand side is also specified which products each user has access to. At the bottom of the page, you will find important links to instructions and manuals. These are designed to help you install the solution, but also assist you whilst using Dragon Professional Anywhere. Let's start with the download of Dragon Professional Anywhere by clicking the Dragon download link. This will take you to our WeTransfer page where you can then download the very small installation file. The download should only take a few seconds to complete. Once the installer is downloaded, please locate it in your download folder and double-click it to start the installation. The installer then communicates with the server to download the latest components for the installation. This method ensures that your installation is always up to date. For the purpose of this video, I've sped up the installation. Depending on your internet speed, this process can take somewhere in the region of 3 to 8 minutes. Once the installation is finished, you will be greeted by the login screen. The login information can be found on the subscription confirmation, as mentioned earlier. If you're unsure, please go back there and copy the information. Once you're logged into the application, you have the option to select your microphone if multiple devices are available. Select the language you want to dictate in if you have been given access to different languages. Press OK to confirm your selection. This completes the installation process.